Hello everyone, a very good evening. So how are you all doing? Yes. Hi Janvi. So we have Gungun Tagore here, KP Craft House, Mania Sethia. Hi Rabindra Kumar. Good evening Simran Das. Hi Manya. Hi Tanusha. So how are you all doing? It's been a while since we met. Yeah? Hi Sneha, Dipshita, I'm sorry. Lakshman Rai, K. Darshini. Hi Jitendra, Papiya, Pavan, Manisha, Sneha, Nitin Kumar, Mokshata. All right. So I hope you all can see me and hear me properly. Yes? Yes? Good evening, Gungun. Hi Swati. Yes. So today I am here with all of you. Yes? So what are we going to learn today? So we already learned about rational numbers. We have done concept sessions, right? I can see lots of thumbs up. So there is no glitch, right? All right. So what are we going to learn in this session? I'm sure by now everyone would have seen the title of the video. Yes. So today we will be discussing the NCERT questions of rational numbers. So I'm sure whatever we learned in the previous sessions, you all have revised it. Yes. Thank you, K. Darshini. Yes, you all remember the topics, whatever we have done earlier. Tanusha, I can see thumbs up. Yes. KP Craft House, no menti today, but yes, I'll be discussing NCERT questions. So don't worry. You will be solving the questions first. Then I'll reveal the answer. Yes, definitely. Dikshita. Yes, we have that. I can see thumbs up, smileys and all. Wow, amazing. So everyone does that. All right, awesome. All right, so let's start with the session. But before that, I want each one of you to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. And please share it with your friends also if you feel that these sessions are actually fruitful for you. All right. So let's move ahead and let's get started with the questions. So here is the first question. 1 by 5 times 2 by 7 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 1 by 5 times 2 by 7 plus dash. So I'm not going to solve this question. We have done concept sessions, right? We have practiced a few questions also. So first I want answers from you and then I'll reveal the answer. Yes, Papiya, हो गया. वो सेशन से पहले ही हो जाता है. Yes. Prakash Chandran says 3 by 8. Swati Prasad 3 by 8. Lakshman Rai already subscribed. Great. Yes. Everyone is saying 3 by 8, 3 by 8. So you all are so quick. All right, let's quickly take a look at the solution then. So which property are we using here? We are using distributive law, right? See, when you come across such questions, I'm sure that all of you would know how to solve them, right? Because we have done the concept sessions on this topic. But you should also know that which property actually we are using here. And why we need to learn these properties? Why are we using these properties here? Quickly tell me, why are we using the properties here? I think this is something that we have already discussed earlier. Yes? Pavan, no, it's distributive. See, you all were giving the right answer though. Yes. So that's distributive property, which is B times A plus C is equal to B times A plus B times C. So what we are doing here, so whatever is written outside the bracket, that is multiplied by each of the numbers which is written inside. Absolutely, KP Craft House. To solve it easily, right? A calculation and all, it becomes a lot more simpler then. Absolutely, Shashireka. Yes, Gungun. So you all still remember the reason. That's nice. So what we will do here is simply I've multiplied this 1 by 5 with 2 by 7. This plus sign comes as it is and I've multiplied this 3 by 8 with 1 by 5 also. Right? Now what we will do is simply we are going to say that this is going to be 1 by 5 times 3 by 8. Right? So this is going to be the other bracket. Yes? Absolutely, Grisha. Right? Yes, Rabindra, Disha, you all are correct. Thank you, KP Craft House. So I hope everyone has understood this, right? Class notes on Telegram group after this session. Don't worry, Anukriti. Because I think this is something that, this is one request that we have been getting from the students for quite a long time now. And we will be doing that. Don't worry. The PDFs will be shared with you, the session PDFs. On the Telegram channel. I'm sure that all of you have joined the Telegram group. Yes? Quickly give me thumbs up if you all have joined it. Sneha, yes. Aditya Rai. It's okay, Sonali. We have just started with it. Gungun Tagore, yes. Yes, all of you have joined. So so after the session, what you can do it, there is a link for the Telegram group which is given. You can click on that link and then you can join it. Sure. So you can see the link. Yes, it's in the comment section now. All of you can see that link. Yes. All right. So that's the link that you can use to join the Telegram group. There you would get all these things like you're asking for session PDFs. Yes, it will be there. That's great, Gungun. So Vasudev, you can do that. All right. So this was a very simple question, right? Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8 is an example to show that. You can see 4 options on the screen, right? You need to tell me what the correct option is. Is it showing addition of rational number is commutative? Or rational numbers are closed under addition? Addition of rational number is associative. Rational numbers are distributive under addition. Yes. Yes. Quickly tell me. What would be the right answer? Dikshita, Prakash, Thanusha, Aditya, everyone is saying A. Are you all sure that A would be the answer for this question? Yes. VSK, KP Craft House, Akita, Naga Ravi, Grisha, Swati Prasad. Everybody is saying A. KP Craft House says D. Okay, let's take a look what the answer for this question is. So, it's A. That addition of rational numbers is commutative. Only one student said, and Prince is also saying it's D. Let's quickly take a look at the solution so that whatever doubt you have in your mind, that should be cleared. So what we are doing here is, let's say that this A over here, it's representing minus 3 by 8 and B is representing 1 by 7. So what we can see here is that even if I add minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7, or I write it this way, 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8, answer will still be the same, right? So A plus B would be equal to B plus A. So this is basically demonstrating the commutative law. Yes? I hope Prince and there was one more student, KP Craft House, I guess. You said it's D. So I hope your doubt is clear now. Yes, Papia, you're right. Sonali, I think it's working. Yes, it's working fine for others. You can change the video quality. Yes, please refresh the screen. All right. Understood? Yes? Yes, Neha. Same thing, right? Commutativity over multiplication. Yes. Clear. Awesome. Let's move ahead. Let's try out another question now. So which of the following is an example of distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers? You can see 4 options over here, right? And in all of them, there are rational numbers, right? So take your time, right? And look at all of these options one by one and tell me which would be the right answer for this. Which one of them is actually showing distributive property for multiplication over addition? Screen is blurred, screen not clear. Sonali, Disha. I hope it's working fine for others, yes? The video quality, it's clear. You can see me, right? Rabindra, Grisha, I think it's fine, working for others. Manya, Harsimran, Swati, everybody is saying A. Tanusha, Prakash, Swati, KRC, Rao, Vasudev. Yes, ma'am, it's working fine. All right. So for the ones who are saying that video is not clear, it's blur, please refresh your screen. It should be fine. So everybody is saying A. Oh my God, you all are so sure of it. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the solution then. Yes, absolutely. It's option A. Yes, I can see A. Yes, A is the answer. All right, let's quickly take a look at the solution. So here, let's assume that A is minus 1 by 4, B is 2 by 3, and C is minus 4 by 7. Yes? All right. So I can say one thing, that A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. This is nothing but that's actually distributive law over addition, right? This was representing this only. Yes? Easy one, right? See, if the properties are crystal clear in your mind, it will be very easy for you to figure out what the right answer in these kind of questions is, right? So if the concepts are crystal clear in your mind, whatever type of question you come across, you will be able to answer it easily. Right? Agree? Yes? Absolutely, yes. KB Craft House. Thank you, Gungun. Shruti, okay, all right. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's try out another question now. So x plus y by 2 is a rational number. You can see 4 options over on the screen. Between x and y, less than x and y both, greater than x and y both, less than x but greater than y. Again, a conceptual question. Quickly tell me, what would be the answer in this case? X and y are two rational numbers. If I divide them by 2, it's a rational number. It will lie where? 4 options you can see. Yes. Menti quiz. My God. Is this less than a quiz? See, I'm not revealing the answer. You are telling me the answers, right? It's like a quiz only, isn't it? Prakash, Krisha, Vasudev, Gungun, Bian Singh ML is saying D. Rest all are saying it's A. Yes. Janvi, Dikshita, Srinihita. Between A. Okay, you are saying it's A. All right, Shruti A, Dilip Kumar Jha, Naga Ravi. Everybody is saying A. Okay, so you all are very sure of the answer, I think. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the answer then. Yes, it's between x and y, right? Because when you are dividing it, so obviously it will lie between them. It's basically the mean of that, right? You remember we learned about the mean method. Yes, so when I'm taking the mean, it will be basically the middle value, right? The half of it. So it's a rational number that lies between x and y over here. Yes. Very sure. Awesome. So we all have understood these questions. That means, and what I can see is that even after a week, you still remember all the concepts, and I'm so happy. Yes. Absolutely, Gungun. The keyword was this 2 in the denominator, right? Yes, Prakash. Average. Sanjana. Okay. Kanishka. See, what we are doing here is x and y, x plus y by 2 is a rational number. We know it's a rational number, but where it will lie? So obviously when I'm saying by 2, I'm adding these 2 numbers. Let's say I take 2 numbers. I take 3 and I take 2 and I 2 by 2. What do I get? I get 5 by 2, which is nothing, that's 2.5. So this number 2.5 is lying where? It is lying between 2 and 3. Obviously, whatever number you pick, it will lie between those 2 numbers, right? Kanishka, I hope that your doubt is clear now. You can pick any example to check this. Yes, Manya, 2 concept sessions. See, if you haven't, for the students who haven't seen the concept sessions, who haven't seen the part 1 of these NCERT questions, please, after this session, you can go and watch these sessions on YouTube. The recorded session would be there. Yes? Crystal clear? Yes, Shruti? It's okay, Aradhya. You have missed a few questions, but you can watch that part after this session, the recorded session. Yes? Mean is sum of observation by number of... Yes, that's the mean. That's the mean. Another way to find mean is basically tells you about the average, right? So this is, you add those numbers and you divide by 2. Understood? I hope this is clear to everyone. I can pick another example also. Let's say if I'm explaining the mean method, I'm taking 1 by 2. Or let's say another number that I pick over here, that's 3 by 4. Now I have to find a number between them. So what will I do? One way to do is that you make the denominator same, right? That denominator same wala method that you apply. Another way to do it, I take the average of them. Average means I add them up and I divide by 2. Yes? The number that you will get, the rational number that you will get, it will lie between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Yes? You can try out with different rational numbers. This is clear to everyone? Yes. Diptika E. Yes. Another one method is LCM. Thank you, Anukriti. So there are 2 ways to find this out. To find a rational number between 2 rational numbers. One method, which you already know by making the denominator similar. Then you look for the numbers. Another method is that you find the mean. Manya, don't worry. It is there. First, let's focus on this session that we are doing right now. After that session, you can see the playlist. It would be there. Yes, it will give you that will lie between 2 numbers. Right. All right, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you, Vasudev. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Simplify the expression 1 by 5 times 2 by 15 minus 1 by 5 times 2 by 5 by using suitable property. Also name the property. 4 options you can see over here. Quickly simplify this and tell me what the right option would be. Also, tell me the property name as well. Yes, I can see lots of thumbs up. Wow. Quickly. Okay, so Darshan Solanki says it's A, 4 by 75. So quick you are. Yes, I'm waiting for others to answer. Swati Prasad is saying distributive property. Asmita, thank you. Prakash Chandran, distributive. Sonali says D. Kanishka, A. Rahul Rai, no, we do not have Menti today, but see, whatever questions I am asking, I'm not revealing the answers first. First, you solve it, you tell me. So it's no less than a Menti. Sonali, okay. A, D, A, D. We have a confusion. Aradhya says A, Simran, A, distributive property. Okay, let's check the answer. So the right answer for this question is, it's B minus 4 by 75. So you all were saying A or D. Nobody said B. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the solution. So this is what we are given, right? What I can do here is, I can see that 1 by 5 is common in both these brackets, right? It is common in both these brackets. So we will take 1 by 5 here, right? 1 by 5 outside. So what do I have in the bracket? In the bracket we have 2 by 15. This minus sign will remain as it is. And here we have taken 1 by 5 outside. So we have 2 by 5 over here, right? Any confusions in this step? Confusion, Gungun? Still you have the Anukriti, I would answer to your question in a while. Diptika, yes. Now it's working fine, Papaya? Great. Quickly tell me if this step is clear to everyone so that I can move ahead. It's okay, Manya, it's okay. Namita, can't understand. Aradhya, confusion. Sneha, no ma'am. So, a lot of students have confusion in this. Let's quickly take a look at this one. See, we have these two brackets, right? Now, we have to solve them using a property. Without using a property, if you're solving it, doesn't really make sense. We have to use the property here, right? So, what I can see here is that, so when you come across such questions, first thing that you need to look for is there any common number over here, any common rational number amongst them, right? So first thing what we will look for is the common rational number. I can see that both of them have got 1 by 5, right? So I'll keep 1 by 5 outside. Okay. Then in this bracket, I have 2 by 15. I'll write 2 by 15 as it is. Why? Because 1 by 5 is multiplied with 2 by 15. So here also it is multiplied with 2 by 15. See, in maths, whenever you are making any modification to the steps, you write it in such a way that when you solve it again, you can go back to the previous step, right? Okay. Then a negative sign is here. So we'll put the negative sign as it is, right? Then I can see 2 by 5 over here. I'll write 2 by 5. You can see that 1 by 5 is multiplied with 2 by 5 as well, like it was done here. Any doubts in the first step? See, if this step is clear to you, rest of the part is very simple. Thumbs up, smileys. Yes, ma'am. Kanishka is giving the answer. Okay. Sonali, Prakash, Chandran. Okay. Sneha. Yes, ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am. No doubt. Dikshita. Great. Sonali, crystal clear. Rahul Rai. Yes. Anukriti. Yes. I will answer to that question after this. Clearly understood? Lots of thumbs up I can see. Wow. So what we can say is that here 1 by 5 is as it is. Now, how would you simplify this? You would say, ma'am, it's simple. We will make the denominator same. Right. It is distributivity. Right? Distributivity. So here, I'm making the denominator same. So I'm multiplying this by 3 to make it 15. So I'll multiply with 3 in the numerator also. Right? Since I've multiplied by 3 in the denominator, that's the reason I'm multiplying by 3 in the numerator as well. Yes? Wow, Papaya. Questions are feeling like menti disco party. Wow, that's nice. Yes, I hope this is clear. So distributive property you can see we are using here, right? Let's say what is distributive property? A times B plus C. So it is A times B plus A times C. Instead of plus sign, here we have a negative sign, right? If I show you this, see, it is nothing but it is the same thing. Let's say this over here is my A, right? This is B and this is C. So you can see that A times B minus A times C. Quickly. Any doubts? Diptika, Vasudev, yes. Aradhya, this is clear. Sonali. So what we are doing here is we are using the distributivity over here. It is same as this property, A times B minus A times C. Yes? Second step. Sonali, I'll come to the second step. Okay. So what we are doing here is, so how do you know which property you have to apply? First, we always look for the common rational number. So I can see that both of them had gone 1 by 5 common, and there are 3 different digits. 1 by 5 is different, 3 different rational numbers. 2 by 5 is, 2 by 15 is there, 2 by 5 is there. 3 different rational numbers you have. So definitely it's distributive property over here, A times B minus C, right? I can write this as A times B. We know the distributivity. Yes? Yes. So I can say that, let's say this is my, I'm writing ABC over here on top of that so that you can understand what A, B and C over here is. Now are you able to relate with this? See? Yes? Only step 1. Look at the step 1 first. Step 1 is clear to everyone? Understood, Thanusha? Sonali Nayak, yes. Simran? Rahul, right. Next step, clear? Yes. Okay. So Simran, what we have done here is we have taken 1 by 5 common. So this thing, it was given in the question this time. So I have written this one in this way. Yes. So question was given in the form of what we have on the right side here. So I'm writing it this form, in a compact form basically, right? Now I have to simplify this bracket. So what I'll do is, I have to take LCM. I have to make the denominator same. Can I multiply this 5 by 3 to make it 15? Yes. If I multiply by 3 in the denominator, I'll have to multiply with 3 in the numerator also. That's what we do, right? That's how we solve it. Okay, so what we will get here? This is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 15, this is going to be 6 by 15, right? Makes sense? 2 minus 6 by 15 in the bracket. Now it is easy, right? I told you only first step. If you are able, if the first step clicks you, rest of the question is nothing. It's very simple. So 2 minus 6 would be minus 4, 1 by 5 times minus 4 by 15. So it's going to be what? Minus 4 by 75. Pizza is cheesy. Oh my God. Where do you really think of these things? Thank you, Ritu. Why are we taking 3, Sonali? Because I have to make the denominator same. I'm taking LCM, right? How would you simplify this if I give you 2 by 15 minus 2 by 5? You would make the denominator same, right? You would mark this as 15. This is going to be 2 and this is going to be 6, right? That's how you do it. So I hope that this question is clear to everyone. This was a little trickier one for you, yes? But now it's clear. All right, awesome. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. 3 by 7 times 28 by 15 divided by 14 by 5. Quickly tell me, what would be the answer for this question? Yes, first you try it out. I will also get to understand how much you already know and how much I need to tell you. Lots of thumbs up, smileys I can see. Wow. Yes. Thank you, Rahul. Yes, even after this session, so you can see the topics that we have covered. You can practice these kind of questions from the from your NCERT book or whatever reference book that you are using. You can practice these questions. Thank you. Everybody say 2 by 7 and 3 by 33. Okay, let's check the answer. So you can see this division symbol over here. So I hope everybody knows what we have to do over here with this division symbol. We have to change it to multiplication and we have to take the reciprocal of this. Yes? Okay. So what I can say is that this will remain as it is, 3 by 7. 28 by 15 remains as it is. This division sign changes to multiplication and we take the reciprocal of this. We know that whenever division symbol is changed to multiplication, we take the reciprocal of the next number. Right? All right. So what do we have here? So let's cancel this out. So we can reduce it. 7 times 1, 7 times 4. This is 5 times 1, 5 times 3. Right? So what we have? 3 by 1, 4 by 3, 1 by 14. Right? Now what I'll do here is simply, this will get cancelled out. This is 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 7 is 14. So that's going to be 2 by 7. That's the answer. So you all were right. Only one student said 3 by 33. I can't remember the name, but I saw that in the chat section. Yes. Yes, Simran Das, Papiya Das. Okay, now we have these two people over here. Yes. Thank you, Gungun. So this is clear. Divyanshi, not 2 by 6, 2 by 7. How come you're getting 2 by 6? We have 7 in the denominator. Is that so, Simran? So I hope this is clear to everyone. No doubt still here? Thank you, Sonali. New here, Ritu. I'm sure that you would love this session. Yes, crystal clear. Typing error. That's okay. That's okay. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. A train travels 1,445 by 2 kilometers in 17 by 2 hours. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. So we have this. This is what? This is in kilometers. That means this is the distance we have, right? In 17 by 2 hours, this is what? This is time. We need to find out speed. I think now you all have understood what we have to do here, right? So here we need to apply a little bit of physics, right? So we know that speed is actually equals to distance upon time, right? We all know that. Yes? So using this formula, we will be finding it out. All right, absolutely. Distance by time. Oh, Dibyanshi has given the answer also. Wow, you're so quick, Dibyanshi. Distance is here, time is here. So using this formula, speed is equals to distance upon time. So we write it like this. We denote speed with small v also. So on simplifying, we are getting 85 km per hour. I hope nobody has any confusion in simplification, right? When we are solving this, yes, this will get cancelled out, right? And this would be 85 km per hour. Absolutely. So everyone has understood this. So the only thing that we had to guess here is the formula that we are going to use here, right? Otherwise, it was a simple question. No confusion, Dibyanshi, Gungun. All right. Yes, Rahul. I hope you're able to understand. Dibyanshi, Kanishka. Yes, Sonali. Only the formula. Yes, Vasudev. So what we are doing here is we are using the formula that speed is actually equals to distance upon time. So what is distance here? Distance is given. And what is time here? Time is also given. We only have to solve this. Only calculation. Vasudev, I hope this is clear. Yes? V is denoting the speed over here. Speed. Instead of that, you can write speed also. No confusions? Awesome. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. So 2 by 5 or total number of students of a school come by car, while 1 by 4 of students come by bus to school. Please understand the question carefully. All the other students walk to school, of which 1 by 3 walk on their own, and the rest are escorted by their parents. If 224 students come to school walking on their own, how many students are there in that school? Anukriti, yes. Velocity, but you can, for the question, you can understand that as speed only. First, let's understand this question. We do not know how many total number of students are in this school, there in this school, right? So let's say the total number of students in this school, let's say over here, they are X. Question says 2/5 of total number of students. What is the total number of students we just assumed? We assumed that to be X. 2 by 5 of X. Of means into, right? They come by car. Okay, so students who are coming by car are going to be 2 by 5 of X, right? This is simple. While 1/4 of students, again total number of students. When I'm saying of students, these are total number of students. They come to school by bus. 1/4, that means 1 by 4x. All the other students walk to school. All the other students means how many are the remaining students? Because 2 by 5 are coming by car, 1 by 4 are coming by bus. These are the students who are coming by car. These are the students who are coming by bus. I need to know the remaining ones. Remaining first. Yes? How to find this out? You would say that simply, ma'am, total are X. You subtract these two from X, right? So we will say X minus 25, 2 by 5X minus 1 by 4X. Make sense, right? I'll subtract the students who are coming by car and who are coming by bus from the total number of students to get the remaining students. Yes? This is clear? Quickly, thumbs up, smileys, so that I can understand this is clear to you and I can move ahead. Yes? Everybody, quickly. Ritu Pandey says, yes, ma'am. Vasudev, yes? All right, all right. Okay, I can see thumbs up, smileys now. All right. So these are the remaining ones. Now question. Again, let's get back to the question. Question is saying that all the other students walk to school. Who walk to school, of which 1/3 walk on their own. So from these remaining ones, 1/3 of them are coming on their own. So 1/3 of the remaining ones are coming on their own. 1/3 of these. Now still some part is left. Still some part is left. And the rest are escorted by their parents. So who are escorted by their parents, they would be 2/3 of this. Makes sense because 1/3 are coming on their own. So 1 minus 1/3 would be 2/3. Yes, Sonali? You have a doubt. So first, I'm explaining from the beginning again. Total number of students we don't know. Let's say that is X, right? Students, yes, Tanusha, I'm repeating again. Students who are coming by car, question says that they are 2/5 of the total number of students. 2/5 of total, that means it is 2/5x. Students who are coming by bus, they are 1/4 of total number of students. That's going to be 1/4x, right? Now, what are the remaining students? Remaining would be if I subtract the students who are coming by car, who are coming by bus from the total number of students, right? That would be the remaining ones. Now, question is saying from that remaining ones, 1/3 are walking on their own. So 1/3 are walking on their own. So 1/3 of that. Rest are escorted by their parents. From this remaining part, you can see this yellow part over here. This yellow part over here, right? This is nothing but that's the 2/3 part because this is representing 1/3. So this is 2/3. Yes. So 2/3 of the remaining. I hope this much part is clear to everyone, right? After that, it's going to be very simple. It's only calculation. Yes. Syed Abrar Ahmed. Smileys. Namita has given the answer also. Wow, Namita, you are so fast. All right. So this is clear. All right. So what we can say, and question is saying if 224 students come to school walking on their own. So do you remember these were the students who came walking on their own? So I can equate them. Make sense? Because this is going to be equal, right? So simply what we will do here is I'll take 3 to the other side. So this becomes what? 224 times 3. That's 672, right? And let's take x common from here. So we have 1 minus 2/5 minus 1/4 and we have x here. From third step means you want me to go back to third step is this one. Students who are walking, right? Who walk on their own. So these are the remaining students basically. From the total was x, right? From this, students who are coming by car, they are 2/5 of x. And students who are coming by bus, they are basically 1/4 of x. But still, there are students who are remaining in this. So they are this much. From x, we have subtracted this and this to get the remaining students. From that remaining students, there are students who are coming on their own, right? Who are walking on their own, they are 1/3 of that. That's okay, Priya. All right. And who are escorted by parents, they are going to be 2/3. So let's equate them because 224 students are coming on their own. So I'll equate them. I'll take this 3 to the other side. What do I get? 672. And we take x common. So we have 1 minus 2/5 minus 1/4 inside. So how would you simplify this? LCM, right? So it's going to be 5 times 4. 5 times 4 minus 2 times 4 minus 5. That's 7/20x equal to 672. So x is 1920. You all were right. Yes, these are the total number of students. So everybody has understood. See, whenever you come across a complex question, so we do not have to be afraid. We are going to like I did it. I broke that into small pieces, small chunks. It becomes easier to understand then, right? Same way when you are across such kind of questions, please follow the same strategy. It will actually help you a lot. No, Sneha, I do not know. No, Vasudev. All right, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Represent minus 5/6 on the number line. Now this is simple. First, what we need to know is we need to know the section where it will lie. It's a negative rational number. So definitely, and the denominator is bigger. So it will lie between -1 and 0, right? Yes. And since denominator is 6, we divide the number line into that much sections, whatever the denominator is. So we'll divide that in 6 sections, right? 6 equal parts. Now numerator is 5. So we will mark 5th division from 0. So what it would be? 5th division from 0. That's going to be minus 5 by 6. That's how we represent any number on the number line. You're right, Papi. I completely agree with that. Yes. I hope this is clear. Yes? It was a simple question. That's why I didn't ask you, Shruti, because I know that it was supposed to be drawn. So how would you tell me that? Yes, that's the fifth part. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at the next question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. 10 rational numbers. So when I'm saying 10 rational numbers, so what we can do is we can use the method where we can make the denominator same first. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 2. That's going to be 10. So let's make the denominator same. So 5 times 2 is going to be 10. I'll multiply with 2 in the numerator also. Similarly, here I'll multiply by 5 to make it 10. So I'll multiply by 5 in the numerator as well. So what do I get? Minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. Now it's very simple to give all the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, right? Yes? Yes. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rational numbers over here. I need to find 10. Let's use another method to find out the rest of the two rational numbers. What I can use is between 0 by 10 and 1 by 10. Let's use the mean method over here. We know mean method as well, right? So I'll add them up and I'll divide that by 2. What do we get? We will get what? We are going to get 1 by 20. Similarly, between 1 by 10 and 2 by 10. Let's use the mean method. I'll add them up and divide by 2 and we get another number. So these are the required 10 rational numbers. So did you see that? See, method was not mentioned in the question, right? If you want, you can go with just one method also, but I explained the other method also how to find this out, right? Because we were short of other rational numbers over here. Yes. Right. Yes. P, Agash, Kanan, class 8C. Absolutely. That's the mean method. A plus B by 2. Right. So this way you can write so many rational numbers. So the thing is that between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers, right? So I hope this is clear to everyone. All the questions that we discussed today. Yes? Quickly, thumbs up, smileys. So this was the last question of today's session, but this is not the end because we have the homework question also. All right, let's quickly take a look at the homework question. Which of the following options represent 15 by 9 on the number line? And you can let us know the correct option in the comment section below. After this session, you can answer this. And another interesting thing for you, now you can connect with us on Telegram. So you all, in the beginning also we were talking about this, right? So what all you will get there? You asked me. There would be revision questions. There would be session notes which you have been asking. You have been asking for today's session notes as well, right? So you would get that. Homework questions would be there. Quizzes, session updates you will get. And some interesting Sunday fun day facts. Yes. So you can also show us the expressions that you are feeling. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link. It's given in the description and you can join us now. Yes. Thank you, Manya. All right. So I hope that everybody has joined the Telegram group. Yes. Quickly, give me thumbs ups if you have joined it. Yes. Question of the week. Don't worry. Every week you will get one question. Yes. Yes. You will get that. Anukriti, I know that you have been asking for that. You will get the question of the week. Papia has joined. Yes. Ritu Pandey. Great, great, great. So don't worry. We have got you covered. We have lined up many more sessions for you from every Monday to Friday to make you exam ready. And there is free trial classes as well. Link is given in the description below. Please click on that link and get all your doubts clarified instantly during the class. And please like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss any new updates from us. Yes. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you. So I'll see you soon in the next session. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.